सभासदों, मान्य उपसभापति जी।
Now, further discussion on Whistleblowers Protection Amendment Bill. Now the
Move the bill.
oh, it is already
It is
moved.
already moved. Start
Already
discussion.
moved.
मिनिस्टर नहीं है सर इसका मिनिस्टर नहीं है
Sir, minister is coming. Sir,
It is already moved.
Yeah,
No
it already
problem.
moved, yes.
No problem. Whistleblowers bill.
I'm taking note.
Yes, Naresh Agarwal. Naresh Agarwal to speak. Not present. Shri K.C. Tyagi. K.C. Tyagi can speak.
मेरा है सर
What is
ऑर्डर में नहीं है
what is Raja your problem?
सर हाउस को ऑर्डर में लाइए
You are taking up, you are said something.
See, what I am asking is very simple thing.
the panel sir you can't
See,
Sir, no, sir, no, this like this, no, this can be possible.
house order में नहीं है, house order में नहीं है. No, Raja, please. What are you saying? I will call you.
सर हाउस ऑर्डर नहीं है
Chairman, sir.
हाउस ऑर्डर नहीं है
No bill can be passed in a bill like this. No bill can be passed in a bill. And we want that SC bill. But how can we discuss it? Already there is one bill pending. Whistleblower. Debate is inconclusive. Discussion is inconclusive.
Both bills are important. We will take a vote. What is Anand Sharma?
We are all committed for SC. Sir,
Yes, Anand Sharma. What? I heard you. Raja, I heard you. I heard you.
Sir, the government wants the legislative business to be taken up. In our house, it has been the established practice then that important bills are taken up only when members participate in the discussion and the house is in
Why
order.
don't you participate?
Sir, no. There
Is
are
it my
issues
fault?
on which this morning leader of opposition has made it very clear that the office of the governor is being in Arunachal is being misused to destabilize a constitutionally elected government.
You bring substantive
And that
motion.
is what our issue is. How can the house be in order?
You bring.
Such an important
we
matter
can't
has
discuss
not
the
been
state
addressed.
assemblies
The
here.
government has not responded to that.
सर हम स्टेट की असेंबली
None
यहाँ
of the
डिस्कस
leader
नहीं
of the
कर
house
सकते.
today responded to it. If we have a government at the center which actively engages in insulting
The
chief
activities of the
Why
state
mic- why mic
assemblies we
on?
cannot
then how
discuss
can
here.
opposition not raise
No,
these matters?
Mr.
How can we
We are
cooperate?
you, sir.
Mr. Anand Sharma.
Ruling.
We cannot allow.
Okay.
Sir, it's not a simple issue. You have a government of India appointing
No.
political individuals
That I told you.
without
Yes.
consulting chief ministers as governor.
Yes, Anand Sharma.
Their office.
Sir,
And this is happening.
Anand Sharma ji, I have in the
We
morning.
cannot.
I have.
Position is let the government address this.
No, yeah,
matter.
please.
Then we will consider any other.
Now you listen to me.
As long as there is no response.
Now you listen to
no
me.
action. So I'll listen to you.
Now you listen to me. You see, in the morning itself, I have given the clarification that you can give a substantive motion. See, what all I said was that the morning motion was for suspension of the rules. No, please. No. This is very bad. This is very bad. No. This is very bad. This is very bad. How can you do this? No. What is it, Mr. Khan? I will have to name Mr. Khan. Give me a name. Mr. Khan, I will name him. What is this? What is this? See, now please, Mr. Khan. I said is only this. You see, Mr. Anand Sharma, see, you said something about the governor. I told in the morning itself, if you want to discuss governor, bring a substantive motion. That's what I'm saying. Let me say. Governor can be discussed, or conduct of the governor can be discussed by a substantive motion only. Without bringing that, if you raise that issue, I cannot allow it. That is one point. Now, second point. Let me say. Second point. You say, I will allow you. Second point is, yes. Subramiji, my second point is, you say I should not take up the bill in the din. Am I responsible for the din? You are responsible. You go back to your seat. Then debate. Then you debate. Debate and prove that they are responsible. Then you debate. Okay. That is what I am saying. That is exactly what I am saying. If you want to prove that they are responsible, debate it and prove that they are responsible. Why don't you debate it? Yes, LOP,
We are ready for discussion. We are ready for debate. But unfortunately, they are not ready.
It is the government of India which is using the governors to destabilize the non-BJP states and subverting the constitution of India. So we are holding the government of India responsible for subverting the constitution of India and using the governors to achieve their means and end. That is our charge. The government itself is responsible for the ongoings in the House. The government does not want to pass any business. Can any responsible government do such things when the parliament is in session? When the parliament is in session, can any responsible central government try to destabilize the sitting chief minister duly elected by the people of India?
They don't want to discuss in the din, but they want to like a leader to talk. Sir, in the din they want their leader to talk. They want that their leader should talk.
Yes.
Sir, they want that there will be no debate. There will be no debate in the din, but they want their leader to talk in the din. What is this fairness? If they want their leader to talk, there should be no din. How can they expect a din their leader should talk, but we should not debate a bill? Yeah, this is absolutely unfair on the part of the leader of the opposition.
You are to speak. I'm not from our side, sir. Sir, we should start the discussion now, sir.
And sir, we don't want an adjournment. We want the House to run. He has cast an aspersion that we don't want the House to run. This government wants this House to run even up to 12 o'clock midnight.
And the chair also wants.
And please don't adjourn.
Chair also wants.
Please don't adjourn the House. We want it to run. All those who are willing to talk, let them talk. Our people are all willing to talk, and we want the House to run. So you give the option, but doesn't want to talk, doesn't talk. Till 12 o'clock, we don't want any adjournment.
Midnight, let the House run.
No adjournment.
Sir, Deputy Chairman, sir. Deputy Chairman, sir, I absolutely agree with my senior colleague Piyush Goyal. Time and again, even Mr. Naqvi has said, because we deliberate upon issues concerning the nation, let every citizen know that the government has resolved to ensure that issues pertaining to the welfare of this nation are to be taken up in this House, and ministers representing this government are very well equipped and want to sit in this House till midnight or even after, so the chair directs. Let it be said, sir, that the government wants this House to run, the government wants the parliament to function.
And the chair also wants the House to run. Chair also wants.
Don't adjourn the House.
Special mention. Admitted special mention.
जर्मन करने के चक्कर में
Let it run till 12 o'clock, sir.
Don't adjourn the house, sir.
Let the house run, sir, all night if it is needed, every day. Do not adjourn it, sir. Let it run so that the people of this nation can benefit from a fully functional Rajya Sabha. Let this house run, sir, in the interest of the people of our country. Let it run all night, sir. We as ministers will sit and answer every question the opposition has to ask of us, sir. We are answerable, responsible to the people of
Now,
this country, and we as ministers...
Special mention, C.K. Rangarajan. Special mention. You say you are laying on the table. Sri Lal Singha Badodia. Lal Singha Badodia. Lal Singh Badodia.
खाना भी खिला देंगे इनको खाना खाना है
Paul Manoj Adia. You say you are laying on the table. Dr. K. Keswara. Sri K.C. Tyagi. Laid.
ये हाउस चलाइए सर मित्रा
Sri Hussain Dalwai.
तक चलाइए सर हर दिन चलाइए इस हाउस को मध्य रात्रि में।
Hussain Dalwai absent. Sri Derek O'Brien. Special mention, are you late? Derek O'Brien. Derek O'Brien. Special mention, he is not laying.
हत्या संविधान की तब होती
Sri
है
Avinash Pandey.
संविधान की तब होती है जब ऑपोजिशन सकारात्मक बात करने से मना करे सदन में। हत्या संविधान की तब होती है जब
I am really,
पास नहीं
I am really very sorry.
ऑपोजिशन को तकलीफ है
The
देश आर्थिक प्रगति के
shouting
पथ पर
slogan
होता है।
in the well
हत्या
is
संविधान की तब
most
होती है
unruly behavior,
जो
undemocratic. I am very sorry. What do you want to say? Can you help me in solving this? What do you want to say? Yes, Derek O'Brien, what do you want to say? I am really sorry for what is happening in the House. Most undemocratic behavior of some MPs. They are hijacking the House when important bills are pending. I am very sorry. I have no other go than adjourning the House. With a painful heart, I am adjourning the House. The House stands adjourned till 11 a.m. on Wednesday, the 16th December 2015.